I feel like I'm gonna have a lot of lip gloss on my teeth in this video, so please ignore that. Literally already have lip gloss on my teeth right now. Hey guys, how are you? It's Lindy and welcome to a new video. At this point, Pablo is just used to me putting him in the video and I feel like he's fine with it. Or not. Don't show your butt to my friends, Pablo. That's kind of disgusting. So it is that time of the week again where I ruin my own hair with bleach. My hair is looking like this right now and over 50% of my hair is made out of roots, as you can see. And that is just not really the look that I'm going for, so I decided to just bleach it again. And also I just want to get this color out of my hair because honestly ever since I dyed it there has been no moment at all where I thought, hey, I really like that hair color. So I'm just gonna bleach everything right now. So if you want to see that, then please keep on watching. Okay, so to bleach my hair I'm going to use 30 volume this time. Normally I use 20 volume, but I'm gonna use like one of these Olaplex knockoff thingies. And the last time I used this, I'm pretty sure that it like brought my developer down. So I need to have 20 volume, pretty sure. So if you use 30, this is gonna bring it down to 20. So hope it's gonna work because the last time I bleached my hair it didn't get as light as I wanted it to be. So let's hope it's gonna work out this time. So I think I'm just gonna like mix everything up and just put it all over my hair, because honestly I could like try and to start at my roots, but my hair is so short right now that it's gonna be very difficult to like part my hair and then only do this piece, and then I don't know, it's gonna be too much of an effort. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna like put it all over my hair at the same time. I'm obviously not a professional, so I don't really care that much. So I'm gonna use 100 milliliter of this developer. Gonna pour it in my bowl. Whoa. Then I need to use 50 grams of my bleach. Honestly, I've done this so many times already on this channel that I don't even feel like I need to tell you guys what I'm doing. But you know, mixing it up. Taking my bonder, I'm pretty sure it's called that way. Gonna put this in there. Ooh. And I'm also gonna wear some gloves. I know, shocker. But you know, I kinda came to the realization that if I'm going to do something with bleach, I should probably protect my hands a little bit more, because every time I get like bleach on my hands, they're like white for 2 days. So let me just be a little smart this time. So I got my gloves and then I'm gonna put the bleach on my hair. Oh yo. Bleach, bleach, bleach. Love me some bleach. Also, I am aware that you're not supposed to put it on your scalp, but again, I just find it to be a little bit too much effort. So I'd rather just burn my scalp than be very careful and let this process take forever. So it's already lifting the color up. Woohoo! So I am gonna like swoop it over, or at least try to swoop it over. Ah yeah, that works. Whoop. This hair color is literally turning like a minty green color. Oh my god, I do not want this to turn into a hair fill as well, because it's literally turning into like a weird, in a total different color. Oh my, I don't want this to be a hair fill. I just want this to be like a regular hair bleaching video. I'm gonna cry if that's gonna be the case, because I just want blonde hair again. Can you see this color? It's turning so bright. What is going on? I really hope it's just gonna fade to a blonde after it's been in my hair for like half an hour. Because I don't want it to be a minty color. Oh my god, this color is turning so incredibly bright. Oh, why is my life like this? Honestly, I do not understand the world. Like, what is going on? Oh, but seriously, look at this color. Is it supposed to do that? Like, when I look at this hair, like, it feels like it just feels and looks like I'm adding color instead of taking it out, because I'm pretty sure that this side is lighter than this side, because this is literally like a bright blue. So now I'm just gonna try and do the back of my hair without seeing what I'm doing, but you know, I will probably end up shaving all my hair off again, so does it really matter? No, it doesn't. Also, I am definitely aware that I should be way more careful with applying the bleach and actually use the brush and not scrunch it so much in my hair. But I've just come to the point in my life where I just don't care at all anymore. And I just want it to be done as fast as possible. No, but like in all seriousness, is it normal for my hair to turn this color? Or is it just something that's like in my genes? You know, like I'm just not meant to have dyed hair. Because I feel like these type of things only happen to me. My head is itching so much right now. I shouldn't have put it on my scalp. Okay, I'm just gonna like chill out for a moment and wait for this itchiness to be gone because it's so bad right now. Oh my god, I'm trying to ignore the itchiness, but it's really bad. I'm gonna like chill for a moment and I'll be right back. Okay, so it has been 5 months, oh my god, no, 5 minutes, and the itching has finally gone down. I know your head is not like supposed to itch when you bleach it, but you know, it happened to me anyways. I know I'm not careful enough, but that is already a known fact. Yeah, it is still looking pretty minty. So it doesn't look purple at all anymore. So definitely all the purple is out. But the blue is still stuck in my hair. And I swear to god, I really hope that it's all gonna come out. I think I'm gonna let this sit for, I don't know, like half an hour. I'm just gonna look at my roots and see when they're like light enough, and then I'm gonna get it all out and then hope that this stuff is gone as well. But honestly, I know that blues and like greens are super difficult to get out of your hair. I just think it's so annoying that, you know, some parts of my hair were actually already silver and then you put bleach on it on top, and for some reason like the color just comes back 10 times brighter, which is weird because I thought that the color was like mostly faded out, you know. But apparently like there was a lot of blue in there still that you don't really see on the surface. I don't know, hair dyes and like bleach is super weird to me, and I will probably never fully understand how it works. But yeah, now it's looking like this, and I wanted to go platinum, so pretty sure that's not gonna happen today. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this sit and rinse it all out, and then I'm gonna show you what it's looking like and see if I'm gonna be able to like fix it. I don't know. I will probably end up wearing a wig for the rest of my life, so yeah, fun. So yeah guys, I washed my hair. This is my hair right now. Oh my god. I don't want to do this anymore. Just look at the color. You know what like the stupid thing is that when I dyed my hair purple, I posted it on YouTube, of course, and I got so many comments of people saying that their hair turned green after they dyed it purple, and I did not know that that could happen because I've had purple hair before, and honestly that all went great. You know, I had the color in my hair, it washed out like pretty fast, like fast enough. Turned into a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful light silver color. It was honestly gorgeous. So I thought that's just gonna happen to me this time again, you know. And then I saw those comments of people saying your hair is maybe gonna turn green. And I was like, oh my god, if I knew this, I would have never dyed it purple. Yeah, it actually did turn green. All your comments were right. And now I just need to figure out a way to get this out of my hair. And no, I'm not gonna put ketchup in my hair because I've done that before and my hair smelled of ketchup for like 5 months. So that's not what I'm going to do. But you know, I think I'm just gonna like leave it like this for today and just kind of like take some time to think about the life decisions I've made. And then tomorrow I'm gonna try and fix it. I don't know, I'm just gonna think about what I'm going to do next. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I swear to god, I do not do this on purpose. A lot of people actually think that, like, I do not do this on purpose. I mean, I don't need to have views like that bad. This just kind of happens to me all the time for some reason. So, welcome to my life. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I really hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.